Hey guys, this is PuchkoffDevelopment here, and in this iPhone SDK tutorial I will teach you how to pick a random number. Picking random numbers is sometimes really useful when you need to do something randomly, like to do the random action or to display a random text or an image. So now I'll begin. Firstly, open up Xcode. Create new Xcode project view-based application for the iPhone, and I'll call it random number. Random number, like that. And now go to random number view controller.h and let's create one integer random, and one IB outlet UI label, and I'll call it one. No, not one, label. Like that. Like that. And now let's create one IB action, and I'll call it random label, random number. Okay, I'll copy and paste that. Copy and paste. Okay. And now just type in 2 lines of code. Integer. What is our integer called? Random. Integer random space 1 plus arc for random space 6 and label dot text and a string with format little mistake at percentage d comma random. So now we are basically done. I'll build it. Oh, 2 errors. What can that be? Wait. Oh no, you can't use the integer random to be an integer. Random 1 to be random 1 and random 1. Like that. Now let's build. Oh, build succeeded, so remember that you cannot create the integer named random. It should be random 1 or random 2, just any integer, any name, but not the random or the interface object names, like, I don't know, like UI label or something like that. Okay, now I'll change the background color to black, and I'll add one UI label and UI button. It will say press for random press for random number. Okay, and I'll change the size to 24. And I'll change the label size to 64. I'll make it clear. And now click Files Owner, click here and connect the label with the label and the random number action with the random number, touch up inside. So we're basically done. Okay, now I'll save all and build and run. Oh, not for device simulator, build and run. It's installing. Click this button. Shoot. Oh, just one small mistake. It should be percent %d, not at d. Should be %d. Okay, now I'll build and run again. Click random number. It will choose the random number between 6. Okay, now I'll explain to you what this code means. Okay, integer random 1, it's just the integer that we have created. Integer is 1 plus arg for random. This is a function, randomizing. Percent and 6. 6 is amount of numbers that we will randomize. If you add the number like 100, it will randomize the number from 1 to 100. It will pick the random number. Okay, I'll change it to 1000. So this line of code means that the integer random 1 will get randomized with the number from 1 to 1000. You see 1000 up here. And label.text and a stringless format at quotes, not %d, quotes, comma, random 1. This code means that label.text, the label is the name of the UI label, will display the string, our integer, with the format %d. The string is the random 1. So that's really simple. In my previous tutorial we did pretty much the same thing, but it was like that. Random 1 equals random 1 plus 1, and it converts, this line of code converts the integer into the label, so the integer gets displayed in the label. So as simple as that. So guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and goodbye.